Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Prinx-19, and today I want to talk more about the app called Amuse. This app is for music artists. This app makes it more easier for you to distribute your music on all digital platforms. You can get this app on Play Store. The app looks like this when you enter. You see, this app, if you wanna use this app, when uploading this app, your music file must be a WAV or a FLAC file. And the best thing about this app is that stores pay out between 6 weeks and 6 months after the month your music is streamed or downloaded. You can collect your money on PayPal if you have it, and 3 to 5 days after your music goes live and you get your first stream, music services will begin sending them data about how people are listening and downloading your work. So yeah, this app is free. You don't need to pay for them to distribute your music. And here, all you need is just your music, the cover of the song, and your PayPal account. And the best thing about this app is that even if you are under the age of 18 or 19, you can still use this app to distribute your music on other platforms. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, because I'll be dropping more content. Yeah, peace.